32 gigabytes, and select already downloaded this server 2025, and yeah, you can. Yeah, I agree. Everything. Next. Yeah, I will choose the data center desktop version. So next. And accept. Yeah, I just choose my primary. Yeah, okay. Next. Yeah, install and keep nothing. Okay, click install. Now this will start install, and I will stop here and let me show you. Yeah, looks everything finished. Click finish. This password is I hit the Control plus O. See, this is 2007 Windows Server 2020.